Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my Hummer H2 and how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Since the Hummer sits high up and there's a lot of clearance underneath, I'm not going to be jacking up the car. I'm going to crawl underneath and get a 13mm socket and open up the drain plug. And while I am opening the drain plug, I'm going to make sure there's a drain bucket underneath to catch all the oil. Until the oil is draining, I am also going to remove the oil filter, and when you're going to open it loose, there's going to be some oil draining out of that as well. Here's my new replacement oil filter, and I'm going to put a little bit of oil around the ring and then install it in place. The oil has completely drained out, and now I'm going to reinstall the drain plug, torque it down, and then clean all the excessive oil that got on around the bars. As far as fluids go, I'm going to be using Mobil 1 5W30 and also some oil stabilizer. The Vortec engine in this Hummer calls for 6 quarts of oil, but I'm going to be using 5 quarts of oil and 1 quart of oil stabilizer. I've used this oil stabilizer before and it's pretty sticky and thick, so I'm going to add half of the Mobil 1 5W30, so about 2 to 3 quarts, and then I'm going to add all the oil stabilizer, and then I'm going to add the remaining amount of the motor oil. And once the fluids are completely added, I'm going to check the oil level and make sure it's completely correct. And that's it. That's how easy and simple it is to change your engine oil and your oil filter on your Hummer H2. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like and share. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.